you ready for some splishy splashy fun today? We're drawing George Pig having the best time playing in a muddy puddle. Let's get started. George Pig is wearing his colorful rain boots, giggling, and making big splashes. Doesn't that sound like so much fun? George loves muddy puddles almost as much as his favorite toy, Mr. Dinosaur. He always says, jumping in muddy puddles is the best. Look, George Pig has opened his eyes. He enjoys glancing around. Do you think George's puddle should be small and cute or really big for a splash? George's boots are smaller than Daddy Pig's or Peppa's, but they make plenty of splashes. What do you think George is saying while he jumps? Maybe wee or splash? Muddy puddles are one of the pig family's favorite things to do together. Have you ever jumped in puddles before? Was it messy or lots of fun? George often ends up giggling so hard he falls in the mud. Awesome! Our sketch of George Pig playing in a muddy puddle is all done. It's time to add colors to bring George and his muddy fun to life. Grab your crayons, markers, or paints, and let's make this picture super colorful together. Did you know George has tried jumping in puddles holding Mr. Dinosaur? Rainy days mean puddle fun for George. He loves the squishy mud sounds. What's your favorite thing to do when it's raining? Would you join George in a puddle? Peppa says George is the king of little splashes, but he wants to make bigger ones like Daddy Pig. After playing in the puddles, George and the family always enjoy a warm bath with bubbles. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. Muddy puddles are part of some of George's happiest adventures outside. What sound do you imagine the muddy puddle makes when George jumps in? Can you say it? Do you think George makes the best puddle splashes in his family? What do you think? Great job! Our George Pig masterpiece is complete. We did such an amazing job drawing and coloring. Doesn't George look like he's having the best time in that puddle? Thank you for drawing with me today. Let's meet again soon for another fun art adventure.